I sure did. Now listen. Once a dollar was a dollar, and a dime was a dime. But that ain't been true for a long time. Listen, soon as I got it, just as soon as it's gone. For somebody tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong. Listen, just trying to pay my bills, but I can't think again. I'm just trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. 15 cents. Trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. 15 cents. Now let me tell you this right here. I went to the bank to ask for a loan. Look here, I was so hungry, I fight a dog for a bone. They turned me down, you know they did. You know they showed me the door. That was some cold shit, man. Oh man, what the hell you coming here for? Just trying to pay my bills, but I can't make a dent. I was trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. 15 cents. Trying to make $1 out of 15 cents.